What's up, YouTube? It's Noon. Welcome back to the channel. Today's a guide on a Blizzard Blades. My bad. So here we go. This is the recommended armor for this. So we got Goblin Mages. So I'm about to go through this so you guys can know exactly what you need to do, what you need to wear, and recommendations. So let's get straight into it. Okay, here we go. So if you do not have this axe, this is a sigil one, you can always just enchant an axe, well, any weapon. It just requires frost damage for this quest. So let's see. I already sold it. I got rid of it, but I had an axe that I enchanted, so you can enchant that for sure. And really quick, if you never enchanted anything, make sure you do your enchantments on your weapons for these sigil quests. So you hit enchant, and this is what you will want: frost, and you will want winter. Okay, that's what you will want for the best frost damage. You need one weapon of each element max for all these sigil quests that comes up. So here we go. This is my armor. This is the armor recommendation. Okay, obviously you're dealing with fire mages. Okay, and fire resistance at 253. So this is the recommended armor. And you need to cast Blizzard spells. So this ring can be bought out the sigil shop. +5 frostbite ranks, 4 ice spikes. That's what you'll be using. Recommend any HP regen that you can get, and have some HP potions. So let's get right into the quest. And I'm telling you guys, I play this a different way. I do not hit everything, or you're going to waste a lot of resources. I do not fight everything. I do not open every little object that you can hit. You know the ones that are worthless. Don't even waste your time, because time is valuable. So here we go. Final stage of Blizzard of Blaze. So here we go. Also, let me go to my character and show you my skills. So this is what I have equipped. Resist elements. You can use that. I don't recommend it though. With this much fire resist, you don't even need it, honestly. So just watch me do this thing. This is how you do it. So guys, really quick, you see how they walk around like that? You don't got to fight everybody, bro. Don't waste your time fighting everybody. Please. Okay, and there's silver chests in this. You do not need all the silver chests, bro. I'm just saying, you don't need them. You'll get them from just... That's a shame. This boy done blocked me I don't know how many times. Alright, so right here, that's the lever. You skip fighting everything that you can skip, bro. So we got these two are stacked right here. The game must have knew I've been skipping them, so they stacked them right there for me. So you see the fire resist is so high that these boys barely even hit on me. Yep, freeze them right to death. Really easy. You don't go running around. Don't collect those corny silver chests, bro. They're almost worthless. So honestly, it's not even gold chests. And I wouldn't waste resources how hard this quest actually is. So I would not waste resources. So I recommend definitely HP recovery. So do that really quick. For these guys, you know what? I'm gonna change the build for these guys. Well, you know what? Never mind. They're so weak. Never mind. So for these, if you do have high HP armor, you can wear that to fight them. The weight, you can fight them with HP armor, but you know, for anybody who doesn't have high HP armor, you'll be fine in what you got. Just make sure you keep your HP high when you start fighting these guys. So make sure your HP is pretty much capped out because they hit hard, you know, no matter what resist you are. So fighting these wits or weight, whatever it's called. Look, I don't know. But fighting these guys, bro, just make sure you do that. Now we cast Frostbite. Bam, dead. That's the end of the quest, bro. Now you got all your sigils. Make sure you hit this. So this is what I was talking about, the big joints. Make sure you hit these, okay? You get good stuff. You know, we need that Atronite. We need that, all right? Bam. That's it. Made it look really simple, really easy, bro. It's all about knowing what element the characters that you're fighting, you know, the NPCs. And you'll get a ton of sigils, and you'll be able to get these weapons right out the sigil store, the ones that you need to be able to get through this game and destroy people in the arena. So you know, you pretty much want all these $8.99 sigil weapons, you know, for different builds. You want all the $8.99 ones. As I always tell people, do not buy these $7.20 pieces of trash, bro. Just don't buy them. Okay, it's a waste. Okay, there we go. Guys, have a good day. Thanks for watching. And last look, bro. This is the build. Make sure you guys enchant your armor. All this, you know, this, and I'm just showing you this, bro. What I was saying, that you don't have to temper. When it comes to element resistance, this isn't even tempered at all, bro. This is a straight, I crafted this and I enchanted it, and that's it. You know, that's why the fire resistance is super high, and you'll be able to get through these quests with ease, you know. So make sure you get all these different loadouts, you know, of different armors for these sigil quests. So I'll be doing a sigil guide on every quest, every sigil quest. And I'll be uploading that on a daily basis. Not every day, but I'll try to get all of them uploaded within the next month, you know, whatever pops up. So guys, have a good day. Make sure you subscribe if you didn't subscribe. See you later.